No, sir. Priya is not my real name. My name is Rebecca Williams.
Oh, Rebecca Williams. Nice name, Priya.
Sir, why are you calling me Priya again and again?
Because I saw you in a black sari, I know you are a scammer.
No, sir, you can't see me. I'm in office clothes, not sari. I'm wearing a pink dress.
Priya, why are you shivering? I'm watching you through CCTV.
Sir, this is impossible. How do you have CCTV? Where are you?
You're busted, Priya. The camera caught everything. Bye.
Sir, please don't do this. I'm just doing my job. Please don't expose me.
No, this is a scam. Authorities are coming, Priya.
Sorry, sir. Please forget me.
Priya, you scammed Mr. Wilson last night and now you're scamming me. But I caught you.
Listen, sir. I didn't want to hurt anyone. Please understand.
I am sending your number to authorities. Don't call me again. You are scammer.